or found manual calculations for area or volume troublesome. TappTec smart measuring tools are designed for professionals, providing fast, accurate, and efficient measurements to save time and avoid mistakes. Ever drilled without knowing the wall's contents? TappTec Stud Finder feature helps you locate pipes, wires, and other hidden objects behind walls with precision. No more worrying about hitting something important while drilling. TappTec makes sure your work is safe and accurate every time. The real-time digital display of the smart tape measure supports both imperial and metric units. It eliminates the need for constantly converting units or recalculating, allowing you to instantly capture and record accurate measurements. TappTec's laser distance measurement provides high precision measurements every time. Whether you're measuring long distances across a room or in tight spots, TappTec ensures that you get the most accurate results without any guesswork. Ever find it difficult to align items on uneven surfaces? TappTec's laser level complements this by delivering perfect leveling every time. Whether you're installing cabinets, laying tiles, or handling any precision work, TappTec helps you achieve accurate layouts without any guesswork, saving time and ensuring professional results. Its digital angle gauge ensures perfect alignment, simplifying tricky tasks for flawless results. Need to quickly share or save measurements? TappTec's app allows real-time syncing, sharing, and tracking for enhanced team collaboration. TappTec provides multiple measuring modes for precise, efficient solutions for any task. TappTec, the future of measuring made simple, smart, and precise.